Guys, I'm gonna give a short review for our discovery for today. Not for today, I mean 1 week. Okay, so first of all, disclaimer lang, I'm not a paid partnership of this. I'm just telling you about my experience of this Beauty Clinic sunscreen cream for face and body. Okay, so it has SPF 60 and also it has a protection from UVA and also UVB. So it's protect your skin, moisturize, and also sunscreen. What is sunscreen, guys? It helps to prevent skin from sunburn. Okay, but not just only for sunburn, guys. This is another information about our brightening sunscreen for face and body. So it provides long-lasting protection against UVA, which I told you recently, and UVB rays, and it maintains moisture balance and helps in skin lightening, giving a uniform matte finish to the skin. And also it has a unique formula, also prevents skin tanning and aging, and also fast absorption and non-greasy. Okay, so this is our brightening sunscreen for face and body. So try nyo rin, guys. You will feel, guys, after 1 week, also whole day, you will feel that your skin getting more shiny and also bright, non-greasy, and hindi makate. So try nyo rin. First, try it to your arm. Then if you don't feel allergy or itchy, so you must try it on your face. So that's all for now. This is my experience. So try it. Super affordable and also safe. That's all. Babushka.